Hey guys, I'm Jason, and welcome back to the Jason Info Show, where today we have four very exciting things: a tech hack, an explainer, some info, and a quiz at the end that you have to try and solve. Now it's time for this week's explainer. Ever wondered why, when you yell in a canyon, it yells back? Let's dive deep into the science of echoes. When you speak, your voice creates sound waves that travel through the air. Think of them as invisible waves of energy. Once these waves hit a surface, they bounce back to your ears. That's your voice echoing. Pretty cool, right? Echoes happen in places with hard surfaces that reflect sound, like mountains or empty halls. Can you hear it now? In quieter spaces, echoes are subtle, but in a loud and open area, it's like a sound party. What would you prefer? The material affects the sound. Concrete echoes crisp and clear, while wooden spaces give a softer vibe. Fun, huh? Curious about timing? An echo takes around 1 second to return for every 343 meters. It's science in action. Next time you're out, test it. Shout near walls, rivers, or mountains. Now it's time for this week's info. Okay, so picture this. You're a kid whose parents can't afford new shoes, and your feet are growing like crazy because, duh, you're a kid, and you don't have any more pairs of shoes, and they don't fit anymore. So what do you do? Well, meet Kenton Lee, a guy who saw this exact thing happen, and he's like, what if there were some shoes that could grow with your feet? And boom! The shoes that grows were born. These shoes are insane. They expand a whole 5 sizes and last for 5 years and can survive anything. Mud, rain, dirt, and full-on adventures. This is how they work. Each shoe has an adjustable strap on the front, side, and back. So when your feet grow, you have to pull and resize. It's like magic. Now it's time for this week's awesome tech hack. Okay, now it's time for this week's tech hack. So this week's tech hack is awesome, literally. So if you're watching a normal YouTube video, act like I missed my one, and you want it to look more interesting, then do this. Type the words AWESOME. That spell out awesome. And then your play bar will start partying like it's the end of the world. And if you want to turn it back, just type in those words again, AWESOME, and it turns back to normal. It's a really cool trick to show to your friends. Now it's time for everyone's favourite part of the day. It's quiz time. If you enjoyed this episode of Jason Info Show, then make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you enjoyed them, make sure to look at my other info show, which has a link in the description. I'll see you there. Bye!